Hi, welcome back to this channel. If your iPhone is stuck on the activation lock screen after a factory reset, it means iCloud activation lock is active. Without the original Apple ID password, you won't be able to access the home screen. In this guide, I'll walk you through 3 practical methods to bypass this lock and get your device functional again. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. On the activation lock screen, tap Unlock with passcode. Select Use Device Passcode. Enter the 4-digit or 6-digit passcode that was used on the device before it was wiped. And if the system verifies the passcode, the iCloud activation or the iCloud lock will automatically clear, allowing you to proceed through the setup screen and read the home layout. If this method or this option doesn't appear or the code isn't accepted, move on to the second method, that is the temporary DNS portal bypass, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a moment. Alright, so that is for the passcode bypass. Moving on to the method 2, that is DNS iCloud bypass. This second approach uses a custom DNS server to load an web portal on your iPhone. While this isn't permanent, it removes the iCloud and gives you temporary access. Go to your Wi-Fi setup, tap on the I icon or the info icon. Scroll down till you find configure DNS and switch the settings from automatic to manual. Delete the existing address if there is one and enter the custom DNS server IP addresses suited for your region. These are the IPs shown on the screen. And then you save the changes, head back to the Wi-Fi, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And once it's reconnected, a splash page will pop up just as you can see in the video, granting limited access to web tools. Remember, this is only temporary workaround. It's not a permanent fix. Moving on to the final method, that is iCloud bypass or bypass iCloud using AnyUnlock software. Now, if you want a more comprehensive bypass or more reliable way to bypass iCloud, you can use the desktop utility to AnyUnlock iPhone unlocker. Alright, password unlocker. So to download the software, you are going to go ahead and head over to imobi.com. Click on the free download button. Download and install the program. Once the tool launches, choose Bypass iCloud Activation. Click on the Start button and then connect your device using a reliable USB cable and click on Start. Follow the on-screen instructions or on-screen prompt to put your device into DFE mode. Quickly press and release volume up, volume down, power button together for 5 seconds. Release the power while holding volume down. And once the device detects in DFU, the software will execute the bypass sequence automatically. And after a few seconds, the device will reboot with activation lock cleared, letting you finish the initial setup, or there won't be any setup and it will boot straight to the home screen. Alright, and that is how you navigate around the iCloud activation lock using 3 different approaches. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure you hit the bell icon, drop a comment whichever method worked for you for your device, and subscribe for more technical workaround. See you in the next one. Till then, peace out.